Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to log in MyEtherWallet. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into our video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap open your MyEtherWallet on your Android device or iPhone. So once you open it, you need to now tap on import existing wallet, and after you do so, tap on restore with recovery phrase. After you are done, tap on use recovery phrase and tap on continue. Once you do this, now type in the recovery phrases and tap on restore, then pick a pin for your account, then retype your pin for your account, and you can also enable your biometrics or simply skip it. After all this process is completed, you will be able to log in or access back to your account once you tap on start using new wallet. So after you do this, you will get logged into your MyEtherWallet. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.